Understanding, be out on one's ear, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, be out on one's ear. This idiom might sound strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning but also how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this peculiar expression. The phrase, be out on one's ear, is an idiom in the English language that means to be expelled, dismissed, or thrown out, often abruptly and with force. It's a colorful way to say that someone has been removed from a place or position, and it usually implies that the removal was not gentle or voluntary. The image it conjures is almost as if someone is being grabbed by the ear and thrown out, highlighting the lack of dignity or grace in the exit. While the exact origin of "be out on one's ear" is a bit murky, it's believed to have roots in the early 20th century. The phrase captures the humor and vivid imagery often found in English idioms. It's speculated to have come from the literal action of ejecting someone from a place, possibly a pub or a similar establishment, by grabbing their ear. Although it's less common to see such physical ejections today, the phrase lives on as a metaphor for being forcefully removed. To help you grasp how to use "be out on one's ear" in context, here are a few examples. 1. After the scandal, the CEO was out on his ear, leaving the company scrambling to find a replacement. 2. If you don't follow the rules of the hostel, you'll be out on your ear before you know it. 3. He was doing fine at the university until his grades dropped, and then he was out on his ear. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various situations, from professional to casual contexts, always implying a sudden and forceful removal. It's important to note that "be out on one's ear" is quite informal and carries a connotation of humor or exaggeration. It's perfect for casual conversation or in settings where a light-hearted, colorful expression is appropriate. However, it might be best to avoid it in very formal or serious discussions, especially in written communication, where the tone can be harder to gauge. And there you have it. You now know what it means to "be out on one's ear" and how to use it. This phrase is just one example of the rich tapestry of idioms in the English language, each adding color and depth to our conversations. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you're now a bit more confident in your English language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.